Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at some of the Super Mario character packs from LEGO. Now, if you're interested in these, I think they run about $3.99 maybe, $2.99, somewhere in that area. And I'll include links in the description where you can find them on Amazon and on the LEGO store. Now, these are little character packs, and I'm super curious about one thing. The Mario set requires the base set because they have barcodes that are read by the little Mario, and I'm wondering if these have the barcodes or if this is just a separate kind of character pack, kind of like the Series 10 things. Oh, I just answered my question. Look, it's a barcode. Okay, so these are very much for that set. So you can add different things into it. And I'm guessing this is... Actually, I don't know what this one is. This is kind of an adventure for me. So let's see. Let's see what all we can get. Yeah, okay, so you definitely do need that you definitely need the Mario set for that. So we ended up getting one of the water creatures, I guess. Alright, let's build a water creature. One thing I do like is I like these new pieces that we've gotten from the Mario set. There's like there's one this size and there's one like a size up and a size up. And I like that the added goodies that gives us, like, I like more pieces. The more pieces we get, the happier I am when it comes to LEGO. I like interesting new pieces. I don't necessarily like the pieces that are, you know, so specific that they have to be like exclusively for one thing. But you know, I like variety. I like options when it comes to my LEGO pieces. And so, set up the base like this, and like so, and like so. And then, that's a weird one. It's an interesting piece. Oh, this one taller than that. So I guess this is supposed to be a column of water, maybe? I feel like I'm not up enough on my Mario. So for putting the head together, what we do is it goes on this one, like so, and the barcode goes on the back? That's weird. Alright, the barcode goes on the back. And so on the front, we have the jumper and the eyes. Oh, you get a printed eyepiece. Anyway, I don't know how crazy I am about that, but it is a thing. And then we got a weird nose. So that's our weird nose. You get two of these in pink. Maybe set that up. Oops. Maybe use that for like flowers or something. Alright, so you got that. And then we do the sides and the top with this. And then we just kind of put them at odd angles. So like so. And like so. Now you get some, like, I guess this is what, bright orange? You get some bright orange of the 1x1 pyramid pieces, which is something. I mean, you're getting some interesting piece combinations with these, at least. I felt like the Mario set is super expensive. Like, it's overpriced, I think, for what you get. But for $3, for $3.99, and you get a couple interesting pieces, and you get to add another little thing to step on in your Mario, that's not so terrible, I guess. So that's what this one looks like. And extra pieces wise, you get those. So that is the urchin, I guess just the urchin. Alright. So there's that one. Probably what I'm going to end up having to do, as I'm not putting these together super fast, is we may end up splitting this into multiple videos where I'll do a couple of these packs. Because I got 10 of them just to try it out and get an assortment. So maybe I'll do like 4 or 5, and then we'll do the other ones in part 2 of this video. See how it looks. Alright, so this is a different one. That's for sure. It's definitely different. Alright, so this one we're gonna get let's see. For this one we have do we have another barcode? There's no barcode. Oh wait, is this a barcode? Okay, so yeah, there's a barcode on this one. So I guess there's going to be a barcode on all of these. This one is that guy. So that one is the Eat Cheap. And there's a decent chance I never knew what these things were called. Weird. Okay. So let's check it out. So our Eat Cheap. So that goes there. And this goes here. And this one goes here. And then we put the little flowers on top of them. Flower. And a little flower. And we have some seaweed. Alright. And then so these are the supports for our buddy the Eat Cheap. Oh no, this has to go on first. And then the Eat Cheap. Like that. And like so. And that goes on there. And so we got to put the Eat Cheap together. And so our buddy the Eat Cheap, I'm probably saying that wrong. Our buddy the Eat Cheap has 2 of these pieces on either side to hold on, I'm guessing, his wings. So we got that. And then these go on the front and back. And barcode goes on the back. Like so. So we got a barcode. And then we have 2 of these jumpers. And they'll go right there. And the Cheap has doesn't face the other way. So like that. And then oh, okay. I was trying to figure out where this was going to go. This is the eyes. So you get another printed eye panel, or printed eye tile, and get this for the nose, and another one of those weird pink things for the nose. And then some wings. The wings are kind of neat looking. I like the wing piece. Doesn't look too bad. I feel like you can do something interesting with these. So, our buddy the Eat Cheap gets his wings. And he goes up here like so. Alright, so another not too terrible addition, I guess. Not bad. Let's try one more, and then we'll see if we need to continue on a different video. or at least a part 2 of this video. So what are y'all thinking so far? I'm thinking that maybe not as... maybe not exactly as the way they're intended to be used, but there's some cool pieces in these. So let's see what this one is. Looks like it has a plant piece, which is exciting. Alright, so this one is the bomber. Bob-omb. The Bob-omb. I like those little guys. Alright, so let's see. We'll put together... Alright, so these are the feet for the Bob-omb. That's an interesting piece that I have not seen before. So, put this on like so, and like so. And this goes on top. This goes on top, and we have the eyes on the front. So I'm guessing this one has, it looks like this one has the barcode on the side, because on the back you have another one of these tiles, these jumpers, and it has, ooh, that's cool. That's a nifty little piece. So this goes on the back because he's a wind-up bomb, and this is going to go on the side. Which side does it go on? It goes on this side. So it goes on like that. And then we put the little panel right there. And so this is our buddy, the Bob-omb. Although I knocked his little thing off. Didn't I? Oh no, I didn't. It's still in the back. I was looking for the fire. So you got the little fire, his fuse, lit right there. On top. That's kind of cool looking. And then we got to build the base. So for the base, like that. Huh. That's an interesting little piece. You see that piece? It's like a miniature version of one of those. Huh. That's kind of neat. I don't think I've seen that piece before. I wonder if there's a new one. Maybe. So we got a plant, and we got a flower on the plant, and then 2 end pieces, one here and one here, and then we got those, and then 2 1x2s. And a jumper for our dude to stand on. And pew, put it on top like that. That's kind of cool. I think I like this one the best so far. Anyway, let me know what you think. Now, this video has gotten a little bit long, and I have a number of packs more to open. So I think we'll end part 1 right here, and I'll continue this with a part 2 tomorrow. Anyway, if you have any suggestions or comments, please let me know down in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.